In this video, let's see how to record fixed asset. Select Journal Entry from the Accounting drop-down in the navigation bar. We will begin by recording the purchase of a fixed asset from a vendor. Select Fixed Asset Account. Enter the debit amount in the Debit (INR) field for the fixed asset. Click on New row for crediting vendor account. Select Vendor Account. Enter the credit amount in the Credit (INR) field. Click on the plus New record for payment entry. Select Vendor Account. Debit the amount to vendor account. In New row, select Bank/Cash account from which payment has been made to the vendor. Enter the credit amount in the Credit (INR) field.